Okay, we've taken the mouth, we've taken more out in here, so the mouth will open and close better. So that's much better. Put the screws in and see how it goes. Open and closes much better. It's not catching on anything. So I think we're in good shape there. Now we're going to tie our string back here and see if it'll work up here okay. Take this back out. We'll attach our string. Let's see if this is going to work. We have our 1/2-inch dowel. So we'll check to see if this will work, or we might have to make more adjustments on the dowel. But you can see the string goes up, attaches to the back of the mouth, goes up and over top the dowel. And if that works okay, then we can glue the dowel in. So let's see what we got here. It's working all right, but I need to adjust this mouth a little bit more. It's not working the way I want it to work. But the dowel is going to be okay where it's at. So we just have to make some more adjustments on this mouth. Thanks for watching.